Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8, which is the latest version at the time I'm making this video on Rocky Linux standard, but the process is same on all Rocky Linux versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Rocky Linux standard one, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is libreoffice.org. Then see here the latest release is 25.8. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice, then select Linux RPM, then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 233 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the LibreOffice zip file. We have to unzip it, tar-xf, then libre, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. See here we have the LibreOffice folder. Go to that, cd libre node ls, go to this RPMs folder, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo control L, sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter, then put the password of the sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice applications. Okay, so we have successfully installed LibreOffice 25.8 on Rocky Linux 10.1. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.